My name is Tino Jacenta. I came from Kumi district, Chele Parish, Ongino sub-county. Before joining Good Leisure Farm, I was a farmer, and things which I was farming are like potatoes, cassava, maize, nuts. I'm in validation. Since I have came here, I've learned different things. I have learned different spices which you are gonna use when you're cooking different type of food. I've learned again how to make sumbusa and pizza. Again, I have learned how to make different juices. Apart from validation, I've learned again how to cooperate in your business. You have to make sure that your business is fully registered in different organizations. Again, apart from validation, I've learned how to make sanitary pads and how to use them. Apart from the learning, the environment is well okay. Even the service is fully very okay. My commitment when I go back home, I'll go and train other ladies also what I have learned from here, so that we shall cooperate as a team. I thank Good Leisure Farm for bringing me here, because I was really missing a lot, because there in the village I was lacking very many things. I was depending only in farming. Since I came here, I've learned a lot. I've went again to a tour from where I went there to Mambo restaurant. I have learned different things, how to make strawberry juices, and I have learned very many things. That is why I have really thanked God and Good Leisure Farm for this opportunity.